is Paul Anthony, and today we're looking at the Headway Beginner's Book and vocabulary have do and go. Let's look at the morning. In the morning. So morning, this would be from 12 midnight until midday. This is AM. AM. This means anti-meridian. It's Latin. And it means literally in the morning. Six o'clock in the morning. What do we do in the morning? We get up in the morning. You know, when the alarm clock perhaps rings, ding, 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 and you're like, oh, what's the time? 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Lou,
yeah.
I was just explaining, I get up in the morning. That's what I do. What do you do in the morning?
I also get up in the morning.
You get up in the morning. I get up in the morning. Could you repeat after me, Mr. Lou? In the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
In the morning.
Very good. So that's what we do. We get up in the morning. Here's another one for you, Mr. Lou. What's this one? See if you know.
Brush your teeth.
I brush my teeth in the morning. I get up in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. What about this one, Mr. Lou? See if you know this one.
Taking a shower.
I take a shower in the morning. And we can say, I have a shower in the morning. So, I get up in the morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I take a shower in the morning. What else do we do in the morning? What do you do in the morning?
I go to the gym.
I go to the gym in the morning. Here's one for you. I cook breakfast in the morning. Here's another one. I eat breakfast in the morning. So I'm going to type them out on the board, and I want you all to make a note of them. And then I'm going to ask you, what do you do in the morning? And I want you to tell me what you do in the morning. So here are a few examples of what we do in the morning. Mr. Lou, would you like to read, please?
Good morning. I brush my teeth in the morning. I take a shower in the morning. I cook breakfast in the morning. I eat breakfast in the morning. I drink juice, coffee, or tea in the morning. I go to the gym in the morning. I go to school in the morning.
That's very good. Excellent. Now, what if we changed the time, Mr. Lou? If we changed it to... let's delete this page for a minute. So, what if we changed the time to... I'll give you a clue on this one. And... what part of the day is that? 1400, so that's 2 p.m. because it's after 12 midday, 2 p.m.
So 2 p.m. the sun's out?
Yes. So what part of the day is that?
The afternoon.
Okay, very good. So let's just get rid of that. So we now have 1400, which is in the afternoon. So, Mr. Lou, what do you do in the afternoon?
I teach English.
I teach English in the afternoon. I call my friend in the afternoon. What do you do in the afternoon, Mr. Lou?
I eat lunch.
I eat lunch in the afternoon. I visit my Mother, in the afternoon. What do you do in the afternoon, Mr. Lou?
I call my friends.
I call my friends in the afternoon. So there's lots of things we do in the afternoon. So I'm going to make a list of those now. And I'm also going to put the question. I want you to write down the question and the answers, okay? So here we have some situations and things that we may do in the afternoon. Would you like to read, Mr. Lou?
What do you do in the afternoon? I eat lunch in the afternoon. I call my friend in the afternoon. I go to school in the afternoon. I visit my aunt in the afternoon. I drive my car in the afternoon.
So, here's our question. What do you do in the afternoon? Answer, I eat lunch in the afternoon. I call my friend in the afternoon. I go to school in the afternoon. I visit my aunt in the afternoon. And I drive my car in the afternoon. As you heard, Mr. Lou is from America. He said, I visit my aunt in the afternoon. And that's the American pronunciation. And the British pronunciation, I visit my aunt in the afternoon. That's the only difference there. So now we're going to look at the vocabulary section of the book. Have, do and go. So, look at the words that go with have, do and go. They have lunch at 1 o'clock. I always do my homework in bed. My parents go shopping on Thursday afternoon. We say go shopping. We do not say go to shopping. Because shopping is when you are buying the products, putting them into your trolley. Okay? Mr. Lou, in Britain, for this we would say a trolley. What would you say in American English?
Cart.
A cart, yes. So in American English, this is a shopping cart. In British English, this is a shopping trolley. Okay? So the shopping, this is the action, the verb to shop. So you are continually buying products, so you go shopping, not to shopping. If you're going to a particular shop, you can say, I'm going to Riyadh Gallery. I'm going to Mama Noura's restaurant. But I go shopping. Let's go here. Now, I want you to write the words in the box next to the correct verb. So let's have a look. We'll go up here. It's not too big, that's okay. So, we say we have lunch, I do my homework, and we go shopping. What about a shower, Mr. Lou?
Oh, I have a shower.
Yes, have a shower. Okay? I don't think this is going to work, so I'll just tell you what they are. Have a shower. For a walk. For a walk.
And go for a walk.
Go for a walk. Go for a walk. A good time.
And have a good time.
Have a good time. The housework.
I do the housework.
Do the housework. Okay, do the housework. Then we have some exercise.
I have some exercise.
So that would be the American idea, have some exercise. In British English we would say do some exercise. Okay, that's the difference there. The next one, breakfast. What about breakfast, Mr. Lou?
Breakfast.
Have breakfast, yeah. And on holiday.
Go on holiday.
Go on holiday, okay. Home.
I go home.
Go home, okay. And to work.
I would go to work.
Go to work, yeah, go to work as well. That's very good. Let's move along here. Now we have to write the past of have, do and go. So, what's the past of have?
Had.
Had. What's the past of do?
Did.
Did. What's the past of go?
Went.
Went. I think that's quite easy. We don't need to look at the key for that one. Let's go over here. So, now we're going to complete the sentences with went, had, or did. Number 1, yesterday I met my mother at 1 o'clock and we had lunch in a restaurant. Number 2, could you read number 2 for me, Mr. Lou, filling in the blank?
I hate doing homework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house. Oh, I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess.
Okay. I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess. What about number 3?
Yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park.
Yes, yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park. What about number 4?
Usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus.
Yes, usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus. What about number 5?
Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant. I had a really nice meal.
On Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant. I had a really nice meal. Number 6.
I had a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym.
Okay, so American English, I had a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym. British English, I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym. What about number 7, Mr. Lou?
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early.
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early. Now we'll find out if this is actually British or American English. Let's find out. Number 1, yesterday I met my mother at 1 o'clock and we had lunch in a restaurant. We had lunch in a restaurant yesterday in the past. Number 2, Mr. Lou.
I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess.
That's right. I hate doing housework. I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess. What does that mean, Mr. Lou? My house was a mess.
Oh, the house was dirty and things were out of order.
Untidy. Number 3. Yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park. Mr. Lou, could you read number 4, please?
Usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus.
Yes, usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus. Number 5, on Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant. I had a really nice meal. Mr. Lou, number 6, please.
Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant.
That's actually number 5.
Oh, sorry. I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym.
Very good. I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym. And number 7, Mr. Lou.
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early.
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early. And this proves that this part of the book is, as Mr. Lou said, it's in British English. So now we're going to listen and check.
Tape script 9.13. 1.
Yesterday I met my mother at 1 o'clock and we had lunch in a restaurant.
2.
I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess.
3.
Yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park.
4.
Usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus.
5.
On Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant. I had a really nice meal.
6.
I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym.
7.
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early.
Let's listen again.
Tape script 9.13. 1.
Yesterday I met my mother at 1 o'clock and we had lunch in a restaurant.
2. I hate doing housework, but last Friday I did a lot because my house was a mess.
3.
Yesterday was a lovely day, so I went for a walk in the park.
4.
Usually I walk, but yesterday I went to work by bus.
5.
On Thursday night, I went to a great restaurant. I had a really nice meal.
6.
I did a lot of exercise yesterday. I went to the gym.
7.
The talk wasn't very good, so we went home early.
So there we are. Let's close that. So we're going to look at these. Look at the first one. Yesterday I had a shower at 6 o'clock. You can decide on the time. Could you read the next one, Mr. Liu?
This morning I had breakfast at 8 o'clock.
This morning I had breakfast at 8 o'clock. And what about the next one?
I had coffee and toast.
I had coffee and toast. And the next one?
Last Thursday I went shopping and I bought food.
Last Thursday I went shopping and I bought food. What about the next one, Mr. Liu?
Last weekend I did my homework at 8 o'clock on Saturday.
Last weekend I did my homework at 8 o'clock on Saturday. And the next one?
Last year I went on holiday to Africa.
Last year I went on holiday to Africa. Now, as you see, we have all the months of the year and they're all mixed up. Mr. Liu, do you think you could very slowly read the months of the year for the students?
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Thank you. Now we're going to listen and check.
Tape script 9.14. Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
Let's listen again.
Tape script 9.14. Months of the year.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December.
So there we had the months of the year. Mr. Liu, which month is your date of birth?
September.
So your date of birth is September, yeah?
Yes.
My date of birth, well, the month of my date of birth is May. Now we're going to listen and repeat the numbers. These are the ordinal numbers. They are in order.
Tape script 9.15. First.
First.
Second.
Second.
Third.
Third.
Fourth.
Fourth.
Fifth.
Fifth.
6th,
6th,
7th,
7th,
8th,
8th,
9th,
9th,
10th,
10th,
11th,
11th,
12th,
12th,
13th,
13th,
14th,
14th,
15th.
15th. Let's listen again.
Tape script 9.15.
First,
First,
second,
second,
third,
third,
fourth,
fourth,
fifth,
fifth,
sixth,
sixth,
seventh,
seventh,
eighth,
eighth,
ninth,
ninth,
10th,
10th,
11th,
11th,
12th,
12th,
13th,
13th,
14th,
14th,
15th.
15th. Now, Mr. Lou, repeat after me. 16th,
16th,
17th,
17th,
18th,
18th,
19th,
19th,
20th,
20th,
21st,
21st,
22nd,
22nd,
23rd,
23rd,
24th,
24th,
25th,
25th,
26th,
26th,
27th,
27th,
28th,
28th,
29th,
29th,
30th,
30th,
31st.
31st.
Now we're going to listen and we're going to write the numbers. So let's listen to the numbers we hear.
Tape script 9.17.
The 1st of January. The 3rd of March. The 7th of April.
So we had, was it the 1st of January?
Yeah.
I think it was. The 1st. What about, I know it was the 7th of April. It's TH, the 7th. What about, was it the 3rd of March? I think it was the 3rd of March. We will listen to it again in case we make a mistake. I may have made a mistake. Let's listen.
The 20th of May.
The 20th of May. Oh, it disappeared. Never mind. The 20th of May.
The 2nd of June.
The 2nd of June.
The 12th of August.
The 12th of August.
The 15th of November.
The 15th of November.
The 31st of December.
The 31st of December. 3-1, 31st. Let's just listen again to make sure we got them.
Tape script 9.17.
The 1st of January. The 3rd of March. The 7th of April. The 20th of May. The 2nd of June. The 12th of August. The 15th of November. The 31st of December.
I'm sure you all got them that time. Let's just go here. Now, remember, British English. We say the 10th of April, and we write 10 April, but we say the 10th of April. And we can also write April the 10th, like that. So, we would say 10/4/09. This would be the 10th of April 2009. But the Americans, they would write the 10th of April as April 10, 2009. Okay, let's go here. So, looking at our example, when's your date of birth? It's on the 3rd of March. What time were you born? At 2 o'clock in the morning. So, Mr. Liu, when's your date of birth?
September 14th.
So it's on what?
14th of September.
Okay, of September. Okay. And what time were you born?
3 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. So, for me, I was born in 1955 on the 16th of May at 6 o'clock in the morning. I think I must have kept my mother awake all night. Sorry about that. So on that note, I'd like to say thank you very much for attending our demonstration lesson from me, Paul Anthony, here at Al Jazeera International Academy with my colleague Mr. Liu from the United States, and we're using the Headway book, and this is from the beginner book. Thank you very much, and I'm sure that your English will improve over a period of time if you follow the Headway books with Al Jazeera International Academy. And once again, thank you very much. Thanks.